Hello everyone, this is Team Blank Slate giving you a demonstration of the automated puppy cooler. This is a device that can provide water, heat, cool, pretty much everything a dog might need in a car. Has algorithms to detect temperature and text-based control. It's booting up right now. You see the Arduino Omega in here with the text-based module. In a minute it's going to detect that there is no water in this tank and turn on, start filling that up. That's one of its first functions as it comes online. Up here is the screen. This will give you the phone number that the device has, and the current temperature, and the signal levels of the device. The little blue box is a temperature sensor. The little black one is a buzzer in case you need to let people know that the window is about to roll up. Over here we have a rain sensor. This will tell them if it's raining outside. And we also have a motion sensor, so it can tell if the dog is sticking its head out the window when it tries to roll up. Relay just kicked on up here. There's a relay for the water pump, so we can look over here, and the water bottle is filling up. So in a minute that will fill. It fills pretty quick. The water's down in here with the little pump and does its thing and fills that up. These over here are Windows fans, so when you want the fans to kick on by the windows, it'll roll down the windows and turn those on. So it has some temperature functions. The temperature functions are currently offline for testing purposes, so I can show you how this works. I can turn those back on with text messages at any time that is so desired. The main temperature functions between 82 and 92, it'll roll down the windows, turn on those fans over there. And at 92, it'll turn on the AC. A cool part about this unit is on the back, it has a Peltier cooler with heat sinks, a fan. This part will get really hot as the device warms up. Pulls about 1.5 amps. And on the inside, that one will get really cold, and those air intake holes next to it will cool down the air while it's coming. This whole unit closes in, looks pretty nice. And as you can see, the water is almost filled up here. So we're going to do some text-based controls to this thing and see how those work. First, I'm going to tell that AC to come on. I'm just going to tell it AC on. And you can watch these relays here as soon as it gets my text message. They're labeled, so there's the AC. Just heard the fans kick on. Front fan kicked on, and it's going to start pumping out cold air in the next couple of minutes. This one right here is a motor for the window controls. This can hook up to a car window and turn on and off as we so desire. And next to the motor control, you see the direction. This one will control the direction of the windows, and this one will control the window fans. The window fans that are over there, if it's rolling down the windows, detects motion from the motion sensor, it will stop the windows from rolling down. So we're going to try to kick on the fans. As soon as I get my text message up here, we send it fan on. And you can see it replied from last time. So it replied to me when the AC was turned on, told it to turn the fans on. Right there, the fans just turned on. And it told me that turn on the fan. You can request system status via text message. I can turn the temperature controls back on. We have all the pinouts and everything you should so desire. If you're wondering what this big thing is right here, this is a signal amplifier for the text messaging, so it can get a lot better signal. And over here, my fans are running. One of them had a little clog there, so there it goes. And the rain sensor is fully operational. We could tell it windows up, we could tell it windows down. We'll go ahead and send it a windows down text message. There that goes. Here in just a minute. Texts usually come in pretty quick. There it goes. Window just turned on. And it's going to roll down the windows for 5 seconds and turn off. There we go. You can do the same thing with windows up. With windows up, these two relays will go. This will tell you signal. Right now I have really clear signal, and it's 75 degrees in here. And thank you all for seeing the Puppy Pal.